Some users have complained that on their Echo Dot 5 with clock, music keeps pausing, calls disconnect when they pick it up, touch on it, or if the surface gets shaky somehow, while others have said the tap or double tap to play or pause isn't working. So in this video, we're going to show both of you how to turn on off tap recognition on your device. To enable or disable tap gesture, go ahead and launch your Alexa app. From Devices, tap on your Echo Dot 5's name, choose this full icon or settings, scroll down a bit, and enter tap gestures. And then, according to your own preference, if you want to enable or disable it, all you have to do is just toggle off or on this advanced tap control option. And then I hope whatever problem you were facing with your tap gesture will be solved. Thanks for watching.